what I want us to be able to do also is to think about, is what I call donut knowledge. See, it's what is not there can be just as important to us as what is there. Because remember when we talked about this whole dynamic of concealment, we said that concealment is the easiest form of deception, and that most interviewers will miss deception by concealment, and the fact that anytime someone is deceiving us by concealment, then everything they are telling us is the truth. It's just not the whole truth. And so in my not only my review of my notes, but in my typing of my notes, I want to think about what is it that isn't there.